Hey guys, Anastasia here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow out your hair stronger, longer and healthy naturally. As you can see from my before and after shots, my hair has improved both in length and density, all thanks to the amazing recipes that I have been using on my hair. So if you're interested, you want to subscribe to this channel for more of this content. So in today's video we are going to be making oats gel. So I'm going to make oatmeal gel to use on your hair. Oatmeal is amazing for the hair. Oats are a very rich or popular breakfast because it's rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. But apart from that, oatmeal is also very beneficial for our hair. It nourishes the hair. So I went ahead and measured 1/3 cup of oatmeal. So that's what I'm going to be using for this recipe. Oats are rich in nutrients such as zinc, iron, omega-6 fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which all work together to stimulate dormant hair follicles and promote hair growth. So I went ahead and poured the oats into a pan and added about 3 cups of water to this, and I bring it to a boil. When it boils and you see this foam on top of it, it means it's ready. So we're going to take that off and then we're going to proceed to the next step. Next, I'm going to use my strainer to strain out the gel. So you want to do this while it's still hot, because when it gets cold it's going to thicken and it will be hard to extract the gel. So I just do this while it's hot, so that's why I'm using a strainer. If you're going to use maybe a stocking or a cloth to squeeze that out might be difficult, or because it's too hot, so that's why I opted to use my strainer, and I'm just going to strain the gel all out. And this is the quantity that I got from the mixture, or from the 1/3 cup of oats, and I think I used 3 or 4 cups of water. So yeah, you can just add the water as you go. If you need more water, you can always add that. If not, you move. So just measure it according to your need. Next, I'm going to add my castor oil into the gel. Castor oil is known to promote hair growth, seal in moisture, keeps the hair moisturized for longer, and a whole lot of benefits. And I'm also going to add my homemade hair growth oil into the mix, and I'm just going to stir everything up together. All of this work together to promote healthy hair growth. So yeah, we want our gel to be very rich, and so I'm going to go ahead and add rosemary essential oil just for the smell. And also rosemary is very effective in promoting hair growth. It stimulates dormant hair follicles. So yeah, I'm just going to add that there for added benefits. And next we're going to apply. So I'm going to apply this oatmeal gel like I do my wash and go. So my hair is washed, it's clean, so I'm going to just use this like I'm doing a wash and go, and we're going to see the results. So oatmeal has a lot of sleep, which helps to detangle the hair and also define curls. So yeah, I'm just going to work this through my hair and just detangle or finger detangle while I'm at it, and you can see my curls are already popping. Oatmeal has a lot of amazing benefits for our hair, and one of which is it prevents hair fall and improves the hair growth, as your scalp receives the right amount of nutrition to grow healthy hair. Its exfoliating properties also help to unclog pores and thereby facilitating hair growth, because with healthy scalp comes healthy hair growth. Oatmeal also helps to prevent split ends, as it has nutrients that nourish and hydrate the hair. So when the hair is hydrated and nourished properly, it can grow very well from the roots to the tip. One of the most common issues that people have with their hair is dandruff, and oatmeal helps to treat dandruff as it contains lipids and proteins that help to moisturize your scalp. So when your scalp is moisturized, it's hard for you to suffer from dandruff, as your scalp will be moisturized, which means your scalp will not be dry and flaking off. So yeah, oatmeal really helps with that. It's very good for the skin. I believe you must have heard this. So it's good for the skin, it's good for your scalp. So yeah, it also has saponins, which is a great cleanser. Those helps to clean the scalp and help you maintain a very healthy scalp. Oatmeal also suits dry and itchy scalp, like we said before, as it has vitamin B that acts as a humectant and prevents moisture loss. So humectants help to draw moisture to your hair when applied. So yeah, that helps to keep the scalp moisturized and thereby preventing dandruff and any other kind of scalp infection that has to do with dryness and itchiness. Hope you've been enjoying the application process as well as learning of the benefits of oatmeal for our hair and skin. Please take your time to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification. So guys, I'm just showing you the shrinkage. As the hair gets dry, it just shrinks up like crazy. So yeah, that's what happens, and you can already see the shrinkage on the other side. So to continue what we're saying, I'm saying you should please subscribe to my channel, join the family, turn on post notification, because I make videos like this every week, sharing with you guys my amazing recipes that have helped me to grow out my hair. So yeah, also worth noting is that because of its anti-inflammatory properties, oatmeal helps to reduce itchiness and prevent scalp irritation. So I'm just going to shake my hair because I want the curls to clump together. So yeah, I was going to apply this as a wash and go just because I made a gel and I wanted to see how defined my curls are. But normally I always do this as a mask, and this won't be different, but just that in this case I'm just going to leave this overnight as a pre-poo treatment. So after this, I'm going to wash my hair. Even though my hair was clean, I'm not going to leave it in because this causes a lot of flake. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this overnight and then I'm going to just rinse it out of my hair. And guys, it left my hair feeling soft and moisturized. So thank you guys for making it this far. I hope you found value in this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.